So, let's talk about what diabetes is. Okay, diabetes is when your blood glucose level is higher than it should be. Blood glucose is the same as blood sugar. Glucose comes from our food. When we eat, our blood transports the glucose around our bodies. Some enters our cells where it is used for energy, and some stays in the blood. Insulin, a hormone made in the pancreas, is vital to enable glucose from our blood to enter our cells. Insulin is like a key that unlocks the cells to allow the glucose in. People with diabetes don't make enough insulin, or the insulin they do make fails to unlock the cells to let the glucose in. This is why their glucose builds up in the blood. High blood glucose levels are bad for the body, and long term, this can cause problems such as damage to the eyes or your kidneys and lots of other complications too. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is when a person has stopped producing insulin at all, so they need to inject insulin. Type 2 diabetes is when a person is still producing insulin but not enough, or the insulin isn't working properly, so the glucose stays in the blood. This is known as insulin resistance. Tablets are often taken to rectify this. Over time in type 2 diabetes, the pancreas may start to produce less and less insulin, so people with type 2 diabetes eventually need to inject insulin too. The good news is that people can help their diabetes by balancing a healthy diet, activity, and their insulin injections to control their blood glucose level. This way, people can stay healthy.